Using a CMS can vary depending on the needs, technical expertise, and resources of the user organization. This, of course, depends on what type of CMS you're using. We'll be looking at the most common ways to use a CMS. These include self-hosted CMSs. In this situation, the CMS is installed and managed on your own server or third-party hosting provider's server. You can do this using WordPress.org, Joomla, or Drupal. The pros are that you have full control over the server and the CMS. You have greater flexibility in customization, and your choice of hosting provider and scalability is wide open. Cons include the need for technical knowledge regarding installation and maintenance. You'll also be responsible for security updates and backups. A hosted CMS, or SaaS, is a CMS that's provided as a service. It's hosted and maintained by a third-party provider. Examples of this are WordPress.com, Wix, Squarespace, and Shopify. The pros are that there's no need for server management or technical setup. Regular updates, security, and backups are all handled by the provider. These often come with customer support. Cons are that you have limited customization and control compared to self-hosted solutions. You also have dependency on the service provider's infrastructure and policies. Potentially, this can have higher long-term costs. The choice of method for using a CMS depends on the specific needs and technical expertise, as well as resources of the user or organization. Each method has its advantages and disadvantages, making it essential to evaluate them based on the project requirements.